The holidays are a time for warmth, togetherness, and delicious food shared with loved ones. It's a season where we come together to celebrate and create lasting memories around the dinner table. At the center of the table often sits a perfectly golden turkey, glistening and inviting, ready to be carved and enjoyed by all. But nestled alongside is a dish equally deserving of praise: the stuffing, a true companion to the turkey. A good stuffing is more than just a side. It's a celebration of flavors and textures that complements the main course and delights the palate. Each bite brings a burst of savory goodness. This year, elevate your holiday feast with a sourdough stuffing that is as simple to make as it is delicious. It's a twist on the traditional recipe that adds a unique flavor. This recipe bursts with fresh herbs, savory vegetables, and the tangy goodness of sourdough bread. The combination creates a stuffing that is both hearty and flavorful. It's a vegetarian delight that will have everyone asking for seconds. Even the meat lovers at the table won't be able to resist its charm. Let's gather our ingredients and create something truly special together. Cooking as a family makes the holiday meal even more memorable and enjoyable. Before we embark on our culinary adventure, let's assemble the stars of our stuffing show. The foundation of any great dish starts with the best ingredients. Fresh, high-quality ingredients are key to a truly memorable dish. Here's what you'll need to create a stuffing that will impress everyone at the table. 1 pound sourdough bread, cubed and left to dry overnight. This will give our stuffing a perfect texture. 2 large onions, finely chopped. Onions add a sweet and savory depth to our dish. 4 celery stalks, finely chopped. Celery brings a delightful crunch and freshness. 2 large carrots, peeled and finely chopped. 4 cloves, garlic minced. Carrots add a subtle sweetness, while garlic provides a robust flavor. 1 cup fresh parsley chopped. Parsley adds a vibrant color and fresh taste. Half a cup fresh sage chopped. Sage gives our stuffing a warm, earthy flavor. 1/4 cup fresh thyme, chopped. Thyme adds a subtle aromatic touch. Half a cup dried cranberries. These will add a sweet and tangy burst of flavor. Half a cup toasted pecans, roughly chopped. 4 cups vegetable broth. 4 tablespoons olive oil. Pecans add a nutty crunch, while the broth and olive oil bring everything together. And salt and pepper to taste. These will enhance all the flavors. With our ingredients prepped, we're ready to transform them into a symphony of flavor. Let's get cooking and create something truly special. The beauty of this stuffing lies in its simplicity. We'll begin by preparing our vegetables and herbs. Wash and chop the celery and carrots into small, even pieces. Mince the garlic, releasing its fragrant aroma. Chop the parsley, sage, and thyme, ensuring their flavors are ready to infuse the stuffing. Next, we'll address the star ingredient, the sourdough bread. Cubing the bread the day before and allowing it to dry out ensures a stuffing with the perfect texture. Not too soggy, not too dry, but just right. Now that our ingredients are prepped, let's move on to the stovetop. Section 4. The gentle sizzle, cooking the onions. The foundation of our flavorful stuffing begins with gently caramelized onions. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add the olive oil. Once the oil is shimmering, add the chopped onions and a pinch of salt. Cook the onions, stirring occasionally for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and soften. The slow caramelization process brings out their natural sweetness, adding a depth of flavor to the stuffing. With the onions perfectly caramelized, we're ready to bring all the components together. Section 5. The grand union, combining your stuffing. In a large bowl, combine the cubed sourdough bread, chopped celery, carrots, minced garlic, chopped herbs, dried cranberries, and toasted pecans. The aroma of fresh herbs and toasted nuts will fill your kitchen, a tantalizing preview of the deliciousness to come. Gently pour the vegetable broth over the bread mixture, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly moistened and well combined. Add the caramelized onions, reserving a few tablespoons for garnish later. Now, gently mix everything together with clean hands. Be careful not to overmix, as this can result in a dense and heavy stuffing. Section 6. Ready for the oven or later delight. At this stage, you have 2 options. Bake the stuffing immediately or refrigerate it for later. This flexibility allows you to plan your meal preparation according to your schedule, making it convenient for both busy weeknights and special occasions. To bake, Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This temperature ensures that the stuffing cooks evenly and develops a beautiful crust. Transfer the stuffing mixture to a greased baking dish, ensuring it's evenly spread. This step is crucial for achieving a uniform texture and flavor throughout the dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 30 minutes. The foil helps to trap moisture, allowing the stuffing to cook through without drying out. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the stuffing is heated through. This final step gives the stuffing a delightful, crispy top layer. The aroma of herbs and caramelized onions wafting from your oven will be irresistible. It's a sensory experience that will have everyone eagerly awaiting the meal. If you prefer to prepare the stuffing in advance, simply cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for up to 24 hours. This method is perfect for those who like to get a head start on their cooking. When ready to bake, follow the baking instructions above, adding an additional 10 to 15 minutes to the covered baking time. This ensures the stuffing is thoroughly heated and ready to serve. While the stuffing bakes, let's explore the perfect accompaniments for this versatile dish. From roasted vegetables to a fresh salad, the possibilities are endless and can complement the stuffing beautifully. Section 7. A feast for all serving and enjoying. This sourdough stuffing is a vegetarian stream packed with flavor and texture that complements a wide range of dishes. Serve it alongside your roasted turkey or as a standalone vegetarian main course. It pairs beautifully with creamy mashed potatoes, sweet potato casserole, tangy cranberry sauce, and green beans. For a festive touch, garnish the baked stuffing with the reserved caramelized onions and a sprinkle of fresh herbs. The golden brown crust, studded with colorful cranberries and pecans, will be a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. Gather your loved ones, pass the stuffing around, and savor the flavors of the season.